everyone should know by now that the interior angles of a triangle add to 180 degrees, but the exterior angles are not so well known. For a triangle, the exteriors add up to 360. But if you don't want to add one more geometric formula to your memory hole, and I don't really blame you for that, right? There's a lot of formulas out there. If you don't want to worry about that, let's try this a different way. I'm going to talk about the interior angles, even though it's exterior angles that are labeled. Let's talk about the interior ones, A hat, B hat, C hat. And the nice thing about these is that if you add up A and A hat, you will get 180 degrees because it is a flat line that we're talking about. And the angle of a flat line is just 180. So that's going to go for B and C also, meaning the following. What am I trying to say here? Well, you know what? Let's just add these things up. B plus B hat equals 180, and C plus C hat equals 180. And I am seriously running out of room here, so let's just bring it down here, and I'm going to add these things all up. I'm just going to take these three equations and literally add them together. So let's see what I get. I get A plus B plus C. Okay, that's one thing. That came from this left column. I also get A hat plus B hat plus C hat. Okay, that's this column right here. Those are the interior angles. And on the right, I get 180 plus 180 plus 180. That's 540. Okay, so now I have A plus B plus C. Okay, that's the exterior angles. Plus the sum of the interior angles, which I know to be 180 degrees. Okay, this part right here is 180 degrees. And that's going to be equal to 540. And then I can subtract 180 from each side, and I get this. A plus B plus C equals 360. So see, I just reinvented that whole exterior angles add to 360 thing. Now let's actually plug in what those exterior angles are, and I can solve the problem. A is 10 plus 3x. B is 2x. And C is 5x. And as you look at it now, you should see, wait, but there's only one variable. We can solve this. Let's do this in a couple of steps. First thing I want to do is subtract 10 from each side. I'm going to combine some terms there. And the next thing I'm going to do is combine all these x's together. So 3 plus 2 plus 5 is 10x, and that equals 350 degrees, which means x is 35 degrees. Okay? I think the key point in this problem is remembering either that exterior angles add to 360, or you can just convert them into interior angles by doing a 180 minus trick, or just adding up equations, however you like it.